Today we're having another cooking video. We're going to be making popcorn. I like popcorn. There are some things. Popcorn is super soft and crispy and crunchy, sweet and tasty. It was made by this corn and butter. It can also be used when watching cinema theater. Alright, so I'm cooking this popcorn. I have this big box filled with some packets of popcorn. Look at this. We shall take 2 popcorn packets and we'll put it right into the cooker. But the bad news is we actually don't have a popcorn fryer. We actually have a cooker. But it's okay. We can also use a cooker if we want to. So, watch this. So now, watch this everybody. Let me put these popcorn into this. Let's add every popcorn flakes. There's one more left. Nice. Let's use one more. Wow, I really like popcorn so much. Oh wow, look at this. You can see that. You can hear the popping sound is that. Look at this. Slowly pop out when it slowly fries. So much popcorn has exploded. We have to close it so that no other popcorn could explode. Oh my, that was fun. We have to wait for each single popcorn should come out. And we have to wait at least 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we could easily eat the popcorn. Alright, I'll see you in the 10 minutes. Wow, everybody. The popcorn is finally ready. Wow, it's super tasty. You know what, guys? Let's just put the popcorn right over here. It's freshly homemade popcorn. I like it. Let's add those seasoning, the Mexican cheese and the sweet chili BBQ, also known as barbecued. We just have to add a little bit so the popcorn can have a nice color. And we have to shake it. Shake it like this. Alright. I guess the popcorn is now ready. Let's have a bite. Mmm. Very awesome. So good. Hey guys. So now I am eating the popcorn and now I am watching one theater film. Oh my god, it's way super fun while having a cinema. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and share for more awesome cooking videos. And I'll be showing you lots and lots of dishes because I'm an awesome chef. And you should use this cool popcorn recipe right now. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye bye.